10 months ago, we bought a beautiful piece of land with the idea to build a house on it. We had to deal with a number of unexpected challenges, such as landscaping and underground water. These days, we already finished the first phase of construction. And if you are interested, join us on our Countryside Dream channel with a clear goal: build our dream house. Welcome back in Countryside Dream channel, my friends, and here is the time for a next video. As you can see, I'm walking here. So in the last video we fill whole space with the sand and the gravel. We harden it with this machine down there, and today we are going to finish all preparation works which needs to be done before we will pour the concrete and create the concrete deck on the top. So my friends, first thing what we have to do before we start, I'm going to check all styrofoam what is already applied, and I need to repair these damages. It was done by excavator during the filling the spot with the gravel. So exactly that was the reason why I did not apply it all over the foundation. So at first, I'm going to glue it back on few spots, and then I'm going to continue with styrofoam, which needs to be done today all around. So let's go. Now it's okay. Now I leveled this machine and I would love to keep the same elevation of already existing and applied styrofoam, because the styrofoam is giving me the level of future concrete. So I would love to have it really accurate. Now I align it, so now we are ready to apply styrofoam all around the foundations. So let's go. So this side, the first layer is done. Now I'm going to continue here. So my friends, it's going really well. I can tell you that just few pieces here is missing, and then the first layer of styrofoam around the house, future house, is done. So now I need to wait a little bit till the glue will harden here. Then I will finish this part, and then we are going to prepare also these muddy places for the second layer below. First layer is done, and before I'm going to apply the second one, I need to clean and make a space between wall and the earth, mainly there, and then I will be able to apply the second layer. Hello there. As you can see, really not good weather. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes not. It's muddy, slippery, but anyhow, I would love to really finish second layer of styrofoam today, and tomorrow continue with steel, because we really need to apply this steel on the top of this. So a lot of things to do. One thing what I would love to comment to you is I applied the hydro isolation paint because I would love to have better surface for a gluing of this styrofoam. Now it's not ideal. You can see it was rain here. It's a little bit dusty, something like that. I just brush it. Yeah, but anyhow, I was really thinking if I should apply the second layer of hydro isolation, but in my case, this is the second layer. The third of it will be underground, and also I'm going to apply to every panel of styrofoam 3 anchors. So in my case, it really doesn't matter if the surface is perfect or not, but for you, it's up to you. Good morning, everybody. We have a next day. Yesterday I was able to finish the whole styrofoam, so it's finished, and now let me show you how it looks like. Plan for today. As you can see, styrofoam is ready. We are going to use styrofoam also as a formwork. So you can see we already have really nice pool created for a concrete, and today we need to prepare all steel which we are going to lay on the top. So this kind of rod we are going to put this in this direction, and then we are going to apply these beautiful plates, on the top. But first, what we have to do, we have to create a distance between the gravel and the steel. So and I was thinking I'm just going to lay it on this kind of concrete bricks. It's 4 centimeters. It will be nice distance. Plus it's a concrete, and it will be poured in a concrete, so the same material, it won't be a problem. Little tip. Those pipes can't be that close together, because it will cause you really big problem when you will apply the asphaltous hydro isolation on the top of the concrete. So now you have to also create a little space in between each pipe. So now guys, I'm going to apply the anchors to the styrofoam to really make a really hard connection and prevent it will collapse under the weight of the future concrete. And now I need to do this such a preparation. Then you apply the anchor, and then just this kind of stuff needs to go there. Hammer it with a hammer, and it will be there forever. So my friends, last time we were able to put all steel on the top, as you can see, also on a terrace, and now is the time to wire everything together. Terrace is already done, and today we have to finish the space below the future house. So we are back, my friends, and today now we are going to finish the last step, and it's formwork on the terrace. As you see, styrofoam here is done as a formwork. Also, now I'm going to cut some wood, prepare this formwork for the terrace, and we will be ready for a concrete. My friends, it's ready, guys. Also, styrofoam is reinforced by this plank on this side. On the other side, formwork is ready, rebars are ready, everything is ready. So next time we are putting concrete. My beloved subscribers, finally we have a D-Day. We are going to pour the final concrete deck on the top of foundation.
This is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. The way you like it, oh yeah, you like it. The way you like it now, yeah, you like it. The way you like it, oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show me you got soul.
So my friends, the old yellow vibrator was not working, so we have to immediately jump to the car and go to get next one. And now we have this new beauty here, and the surface looks like this. No, it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough as a basis.
Nothing's off limits. You can have anything you want.
My friends, look at that, it's finished. We were able to finish it even through some technical obstacles. As you can see, everything is done. And yeah, that's it from today's video. As you saw, it was a hell of the work, so for sure we deserve subscription, like, comment, share the video, and we will see soon in the next one.